is up? It is your boy Spooky. Not yet Spooky. It is your boy Michael, and I'm M Squad, and I'm gonna show you my cat. My cat. His name is Spooky. He's a boy, and we didn't get him. We didn't buy him and stuff or own him. Actually, he came to us technically, and we got him. Well, he came to us in 2004, so he's about 15. We don't know his real age, but yeah. Hey, kitty. Spooky. Hey, kitty, kitty. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Don't want to pop it. Hey, Spooks. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Oops, that scared him. It's pretty boring to watch. Yeah, so that's his movie now. Look at my pretty cool basketball hoop. It's your boy with the basketball hoop. Is it broken? Oh, there it is. Spooky! Yeah, so he's pretty cool. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Yeah. Come on, Spooks. Kitty, kitty. Say hi to the fans. Say hi. Say hi. Yep. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Aw, he's coming to me. Hey. Oops, it's that way. My bad. Good boy. Let's just put that not on his fur. See, he's a cute boy. Yes, you are. Hey, move. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. He just headbutted you guys. That means he likes you guys. Will he headbutt you again? Spooky. Yeah, so we have a cat. Yeah, that's really it. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna go up. You want to see? Oh, he wants to pet me some more. Comment down below if you think he's pretty cute. Hey, don't go away from me, Spooks. Hey, not over there. Oh God. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Here. I'll do something. Say hi, Spooky. I don't think he likes that. Oh, crap. His foot's on there. His foot's on there. Don't stop the video. Okay. Well, yeah. So that's my cat. Oh, okay, now, subscribe to my yeah, that's the end of the video. Okay, subscribe to my subscribers that have channels, like, okay? And I'm just kidding. And subscribe to M Squad. Comment down below how cute my cat is. Because he's cute. And because he's the best cat ever. I'm a cowboy on a steel horse ride. I'm wanted, dead or alive. I think I got the words wrong again. Mama said that it was okay. Mama said that it was bright, alright. Had bed for the night, and it was okay. Mama told us we were good kids. Daddy told us never listen to the ones pointing nasty fingers and making fun, 'cause we were good kids.